Now I'd like to go on and talk about this thing called the ARP, or the Asset Recovery Plan. And Anne, I'm hoping you can give me some insight into that.
Well, as Barry indicated earlier, there are components of the business plan, and asset recovery needs to be part of that once you've put the immediate, let's say, fire out.
Sure.
And dealt with your people or other people's people and communities, is, what is the best part of like the plant or that operation to bring back online first? Can you outsource your production somewhere else temporarily, and what that looks like? And again, when you're building, as part of your risk management program, you're building your emergency response and your recovery and continuity plans, is to bring in those business experts who run a plant inside your organization, or who are part of your shipping transactions and that, because they're the ones who understand that, and then you can work effectively as bringing that in together.
Okay, so who would be in charge of the asset recovery plan? Who's the person going to lead that?
Usually the process is owned by the risk manager, but the contents of certain parts of that plan would be owned by site people. So it's a joint effort.
A joint effort, okay.